Good morning, Blue Group. Take out your Studying the Stars biography and follow along. Remember to think about the sequence of events in our text and be prepared to discuss the sequence of events in Arthur Eddington's life. Listen and follow along. Similar to Arthur C. Clarke, Arthur Eddington was fascinated with space. He was an astronomer and a physicist. He was passionate about stars and space. Arthur Eddington was born on December 28, 1882 in England. Eddington's father was a teacher. He died when Eddington was 2 years old. As a young boy, Eddington showed a talent for mathematics. Before he learned to read, he learned the multiplication table. Before Eddington was 10 years old, someone loaned him a 3-inch telescope. This small event changed Eddington's life. He enthusiastically observed the stars with the telescope and was captivated by what he saw in space. When Eddington grew up, he earned a scholarship to college. After he graduated, he worked at the Royal Observatory in Greenwich, England, which was built for scientists to study space. At the observatory, he used telescopes, photographs, and math to gather information and form ideas about how stars developed and moved. For example, he imagined that stars get energy from burning gas. His idea was very creative because most people did not know how things in the universe worked. Eddington's work helped to support one of Albert Einstein's important theories. Einstein had a theory that light bends when it passes close to the sun. Eddington observed stars during an eclipse and proved the theory. Eddington died in 1944. By then, he had earned many honors. People recognized that he was a brilliant scientist. Eddington's imagination and his knowledge helped him change how people thought about stars and space.